I'm going to a barbecue and I decided that I'm going to bring some curry chicken. So I start off by washing and seasoning my chicken. Once the chicken is fully seasoned, I'm going to leave it in the fridge overnight to allow the flavours to infuse, enhancing the taste of the dish. I then start on my curry chicken the next day by heating my oil and browning my curry powder. I then saute my onion and scotch bonnet. I allow that to cook for a while, then I add my garlic and my seasoned chicken into the pot. I mix it in a little bit and allow it to simmer for 30 minutes. I then add my diced carrots, potatoes and bell peppers and allow that to cook for another 30 minutes. I also add a little bit of hot water just to create a bit of a gravy for the curry chicken. At this point, I tasted my curry chicken, added a little bit of Maggi, allowed it to simmer for another 5 minutes and it was done. What dish would you be bringing to a barbecue?